Okay. Hello. I don't like my hair today. So, this is kind of a chit-chat, video. I'm not in the mood today. I guess, not happy. Really happy. Not happy, but not happy. But kind of, what is called? Feel weird. Enough. Okay. Okay, the curls end up nicely, but I don't like my hair today. I feel it needs to be washed. And yeah, I don't know. You know, when you feel like these days when you're out of your mood, I can't even describe how I feel. I am not happy, and I am not out of the mood because I can I record and make a video. I record 2 videos right now. So I am not out of the mood, but I'm not feeling at my best. I'm not at the best, on the top level. So I guess I need to eat something. Maybe I didn't eat because, okay. Hello. Okay, let's do it again.